Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install a Python package in Google Colab. So let's get started. So first thing, just open your Google Colab and just click on this code, and you need to just have the exclamatory mark, so shift and press the number 1 key, and it's going to be pip space install the name of your Python package. So in my case I want to install the OpenCV Python package, so I'll just run this. So it will take some time to install all the necessary packages, so just be patient. Yeah, once it's successfully installed, we can just verify the version. So again click on this code, and it's going to be import cv2 print cv2 dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore, and if I run this, we'll be getting this 4.10.0. yeah, the same version that we're getting over here. So this is basically how you install a Python package in Google Colab. I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.